Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a powerful emotional state and a mindset that can significantly improve one's quality of life. Rooted in positive psychology, gratitude has been shown to enhance mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. When we practice gratitude regularly, it helps us focus on the good in our lives, creating a positive feedback loop that can transform our mindset and behavior. In this video, we'll explore the science behind gratitude, its benefits for mental health, physical well-being, relationships, and productivity, and practical ways to integrate gratitude into daily life for a more fulfilling and enriched existence. Gratitude is the appreciation for what we have rather than focusing on what we lack. It's recognizing the goodness in our lives, often brought about by external factors such as other people, circumstances, or even nature. This state of thankfulness helps cultivate a more optimistic outlook on life, shifting our focus from stresses, anxieties, and dissatisfaction to the things that truly matter. It is important to distinguish between passive gratitude, which might involve fleeting thoughts of thankfulness, and active gratitude, which involves conscious acknowledgement of the positive. Developing an active gratitude practice can result in long-lasting benefits. Research has shown that gratitude has a profound impact on brain function and overall mental health. Neuroscientists have discovered that practicing gratitude activates several key areas of the brain associated with positive emotions, reward, and empathy. Specifically, gratitude can enhance the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are involved in happiness and mood regulation. Studies in positive psychology have also revealed that individuals who regularly practice gratitude experience greater emotional resilience, reduced stress, and better overall life satisfaction. A 2003 study by Emmons and McCullough found that participants who kept a gratitude journal reported higher levels of optimism and well-being compared to those who focused on daily irritations or neutral life events. Gratitude has been linked to a variety of mental health benefits, making it a simple yet effective tool for enhancing emotional well-being. Here are some of the most notable advantages. Reduces stress and anxiety. Gratitude helps break the cycle of negative thinking that often accompanies stress and anxiety. By focusing on positive aspects of life, individuals can reduce the impact of stressful thoughts and feel more grounded in the present moment. This mindfulness, often encouraged by gratitude practices, allows people to shift their perspective from worry and fear to a sense of calm and appreciation, enhances emotional resilience. Life is full of challenges, but those who practice gratitude tend to be more emotionally resilient. Gratitude allows individuals to frame difficult situations more positively, helping them navigate adversity with greater composure and acceptance. When people focus on what they are grateful for, they can better cope with hardships, finding strength in their relationships, resources, and personal qualities. Promotes positive emotions. Gratitude is strongly associated with positive emotions like joy, love, and contentment. The act of appreciating what one has in life tends to generate a sense of warmth and satisfaction, elevating mood and reinforcing feelings of happiness. This emotional uplift is not temporary, but builds over time, as regular gratitude practice rewires the brain to focus more on positive experiences, boosts self-esteem, and reduces comparison. In a world where social comparison often leads to feelings of inadequacy, gratitude serves as an antidote. When individuals focus on what they have, rather than what they lack or what others have, they can experience higher levels of self-esteem. By appreciating their own unique circumstances, strengths, and relationships, people feel more confident and less prone to jealousy or comparison. Gratitude not only enhances mental and emotional health, but also has physical health benefits. Research has demonstrated that gratitude can influence behaviors that promote physical well-being, from better sleep to improved cardiovascular health. Here are a few of the physical health benefits of practicing gratitude. Improves sleep quality. Studies have shown that people who practice gratitude tend to experience better sleep quality. One reason for this is that gratitude reduces intrusive thoughts, stress, and worry, all of which can interfere with sleep. A nightly gratitude practice, such as writing in a gratitude journal, helps the mind unwind and shift focus away from the day's worries, leading to a more peaceful and restorative sleep. Boosts immune system. Gratitude may also strengthen the immune system. Research indicates that a positive emotional state, including feelings of gratitude, can enhance immune response, making the body more resilient to illness. Grateful individuals may be more likely to engage in healthy behaviors like eating well, exercising, and avoiding harmful habits, all of which contribute to better physical health. Reduces inflammation and pain. Perception. Chronic stress is a well-known contributor to inflammation in the body, which can lead to various health problems like heart disease and arthritis. Since gratitude reduces stress levels, it may help lower inflammation. Moreover, gratitude has been found to alter how people perceive pain. Those who practice gratitude regularly often report lower pain levels and a higher pain threshold, possibly due to the brain's focus on positive emotions rather than discomfort. Gratitude is a powerful tool for building and maintaining strong relationships. When individuals express gratitude to others, it strengthens social bonds, promotes empathy, and fosters deeper connections. In fact, studies show that couples who express gratitude toward one another experience greater relationship satisfaction and are more likely to stay together. In romantic relationships, gratitude plays a vital role in maintaining emotional intimacy and reducing conflict. When partners express appreciation for one another, it reinforces positive feelings and promotes a sense of security within the relationship. Acknowledging each other's efforts, even in small gestures, creates an atmosphere of mutual respect and love, making it easier to navigate challenges as a team. Gratitude extends beyond romantic partnerships and is equally important in friendships. Expressing gratitude to friends shows that you value their presence in your life, deepening the connection. Gratitude encourages reciprocal kindness and understanding, creating a cycle of positive reinforcement that strengthens the friendship over time. Research suggests that individuals who practice gratitude are more likely to exhibit pro-social behavior, including empathy and compassion. Gratitude fosters a greater understanding of others' perspectives, making it easier to relate to their experiences. This increased empathy can reduce aggressive tendencies and promote more harmonious interactions in both personal and professional settings. Gratitude has surprising effects on productivity and work satisfaction. By cultivating a grateful mindset, individuals can boost motivation, creativity, and job satisfaction, leading to more success in their professional lives. When individuals focus on the positive aspects of their work environment and appreciate the opportunities they have, they tend to be more motivated and focused. Gratitude shifts the focus from complaints and frustrations to a sense of purpose, making it easier to stay on track and achieve goals. Gratitude can have a ripple effect in the workplace, promoting a positive culture where employees feel valued and appreciated. When managers and colleagues express gratitude to one another, it boosts morale and encourages collaboration. This atmosphere of appreciation can lead to increased productivity, reduced turnover, and greater overall job satisfaction. Integrating gratitude into daily life doesn't require a grand gesture. In fact, some of the most powerful gratitude practices are simple and can be done in just a few minutes each day. Here are several practical ways to incorporate gratitude into your routine. Keep a gratitude journal. Writing down 3 to 5 things you are grateful for each day is one of the most effective ways to practice gratitude. This can be as simple as acknowledging a delicious meal, a kind gesture from a friend, or the beauty of nature. Over time, this practice trains the brain to focus on positive experiences, improving overall well-being. Express gratitude to others. Take the time to express appreciation to the people in your life. Whether it's through a heartfelt conversation, a handwritten note, or a simple thank you, expressing gratitude can strengthen relationships and foster deeper connections. Practice mindful gratitude. Throughout the day, take moments to pause and appreciate the present moment. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee, watching a sunset, or taking a walk, practicing mindful gratitude allows you to fully immerse yourself in the positive aspects of life. Gratitude meditation. Gratitude meditation is a powerful way to incorporate gratitude into your mindfulness practice. Begin by focusing on your breath, and then bring to mind something or someone you are grateful for. Allow yourself to fully experience the emotions associated with this gratitude, letting them fill your mind and body. In conclusion, gratitude is a simple yet transformative practice that has the power to improve every aspect of life. By cultivating gratitude, you can enhance your mental and physical well-being, strengthen your relationships, and increase productivity. Whether through journaling, mindful moments, or expressing appreciation to others, integrating gratitude into your daily routine can create lasting positive change. The key to unlocking the power of gratitude lies in consistency. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes to focus on the positive. And over time, this shift in perspective transforms how you experience life's challenges and joys. Gratitude helps you see opportunities where others may see obstacles, nurturing a mindset of abundance rather than lack. By making gratitude a cornerstone of your daily routine, you can foster resilience, deepen relationships, and enhance both mental and physical well-being. The true power of gratitude lies not just in feeling grateful, but in actively living a life rooted in appreciation and positivity. Whether through small, mindful practices or larger gestures of appreciation, cultivating gratitude invites more joy, fulfillment, and peace into your life. Make gratitude a habit and watch as your world transforms, one thankful moment at a time. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.